Welcome to Magic Horizons. On the Premium mobile, the on-off switch is on the top of the headset. Press the on-off switch until the blue LED lights up. If you wear distance glasses and they fit under the VR glasses, you should keep them on to enable you to see sharper. Then loosen the bracket with the rear screw and fold it up. Put on the VR glasses from front to back. Then, after putting them on, fold down the bracket and tighten the rear screw again for the best fit. It's important to push the VR glasses slightly up and down with both hands after putting them on, in order to see as sharp as possible. The Premium mobile has two controllers for your left and right hands. A long press on both home buttons will connect the VR glasses after they have been turned on. If the viewing direction has changed, or the green laser beam has shifted or is no longer visible, you can recenter everything by pressing and holding the home button. To start a program or VR application, point the laser beam at it and press the trigger button with your index finger. Proceed as follows to remove the VR glasses, especially if you wear distance glasses underneath. If you were using headphones, take them off first. With the Premium mobile, first open the bracket with the rear screw. Then fold up the bracket and remove the VR glasses straight forward. After turning on the VR glasses, the Magic Horizons software starts automatically. The first thing you see is the main menu. Here you can choose between playlists, the training plan, and single application. In the main menu, you can set the language, your sitting or lying position to within 1 degree, and the volume. You can see the charging status of the VR glasses on the left. On the Premium mobile, you can adjust the basic volume at the bottom of the VR glasses. There are two ways to return to the main menu. 1. Press the Back to Main Menu door symbol with your index finger. On the Premium mobile, press the B or Y button on the controller to do this. In the Playlists main menu, there are two options to choose from. On the left, the preset playlists with default lists. On the right, the user playlists you can create yourself. Once you've selected a playlist, a play symbol appears in front of you. You start the playlist by looking at the play symbol until the green circle closes. Within a playlist, you can skip to the next VR application by pressing the trigger button on the controller. On the Premium mobile, close the playlist by pressing B or Y. To access the training plan, press on Training Plan. Start an individual session by pointing the green laser beam of the controller at it and pressing the trigger button with your index finger. On the Premium mobile, close the training session by pressing B or Y. The training sessions are always grouped into units of 10. The Single Application menu lets you select single applications that are particularly good for you. The single applications are arranged in groups: nature, binaural audio, meditations, and fantasy trips. When a single application is running, you can open the sub-menu in the Premium mobile by pressing the A button on the right controller or the X button on the left controller. In the menu, select the audio mix, loop, play, pause, and volume by pressing the trigger button. Press the X symbol to close the single application. Alternatively, by pressing your index finger, you can select the X symbol for close and the M symbol for menu, hovering above the application. On the Premium mobile, there is also an interactive category. There, the X and M symbols can also be located at the bottom. Each interactive application contains brief instructions. Our VR glasses are only to be used while sitting or lying with sufficient free space around you. The lenses must not be exposed to direct sunlight or very bright sources of light, as otherwise the displays may be damaged and the warranty will be void. Clean the VR glasses thoroughly only with suitable agents. Clean the lenses only with a dry microfiber cloth, as they may otherwise be easily scratched. The controller requires two 1.5-volt batteries. VR glasses' battery life is approximately 3 hours. The VR glasses are fully charged when the LED lights up solid green. If the VR glasses or the VR software malfunction, turn off the headset and turn it on again. We recommend that you also use the included headphones for an immersive listening experience. Please note our terms of use, in particular the health and hygiene information on our website. Thank you, your Magic Horizons team.